sun-kissed Northern Cape is fast becoming South Africa's solar energy hub, embracing the growing need to develop sustainable, renewable energy sources for the ailing South African power grid. Concentrated solar thermal power, CSP, is one of the solar technologies being established. CSP plants with heat energy storage is the only renewable energy technology able to consistently provide electricity during peak demand periods. In response to the specific requirements and needs of establishing and operating CSP plants, Afrox, the country's largest industrial gases and welding product supplier, has developed a comprehensive product and energy solutions offer specifically for the CSP industry. Taking into consideration the challenges associated with operations in remote areas like the Northern Cape, Afrox products and services are aimed at satisfying all the CSP industry needs, from the construction phase through to commercial operation. This includes the highest quality cutting and welding products for the construction of the facility, as well as custom-designed LPG and nitrogen storage and supply systems for the very important heat energy transfer and storage process. The Afrox range of welding and cutting products is well known across Southern Africa. Afrox fabrication specialists are on hand to work closely with construction contractors, providing welding consumables, gases, as well as welding and cutting equipment from the nearest Afrox sales outlet or an on-site store. Afrox is also the largest supplier of LPG with both local and international sources and an extensive fleet of dedicated road tankers. During the commissioning phase of a CSP, salts for the thermal energy transfer medium are melted using LPG as a fuel. As LPG is generally only required during the commissioning period and periodically thereafter, Afrox developed a unique modular and skid-mounted LPG storage and supply system. This offers easy establishment and removal, as well as a cost-effective alternative to permanent storage. In addition, with operations across South Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa, Afrox has an extensive nitrogen production and distribution network and has the footprint, the technologies, expertise, and the distribution power to offer the most effective and reliable supply of nitrogen. An inert atmosphere is required to protect the heat transfer system at all times. Having a real appreciation of the consequences of not having nitrogen, Afrox will design the most reliable nitrogen supply system based on the specific requirements of each individual project. As prospective CSP operations will be far away from the large air separation plants and liquid nitrogen sources, Afrox will evaluate all options and then design the most cost-effective solution, which may include liquid supply, on-site nitrogen generation, or a combination of both. Afrox is a proudly South African company for a proudly South African industry, fully committed to uplifting the underprivileged, training artisans, and providing bursaries to support our future industry leaders. Compliance with broad-based Black Economic Empowerment Law has earned Afrox a Level 3 rating for 2015. Since its inception in 2004, Afrox has been continuously selected by the JSE Securities Exchange as one of the companies to make up the prestigious Socially Responsible Investment, or SRI, Index. Furthermore, Afrox donates at least 1% of the previous year's net profit after taxable earnings to social development initiatives. Afrox, total solutions for a brighter future for every South African.